Hi, I'm Sarah Schutz, and this is your River Stage Shoutout. Join us this weekend, June 8th and 9th, for our summer concert series and our Twilight Cinema. On Friday, June 8th, our summer concert series welcomes back the Monarchs. They've been a crowd favorite since the 60s, joined with guests, the Vinyl Kings. The show will start at 7, but make sure you come early, grab a drink, and a great spot on the lawn. On Saturday, June 9th, our Twilight Cinema is back with those crazy penguins from Happy Feet 2. The entertainment will start at 7:30 with a performance by the Showbiz Kids. We also have inflatables and games for the kids. Make sure you come early, bring your blanket, and get ready for a great family night. We have an entire summer full of great free entertainment. If you want to stay up to date on what's going on every weekend, visit our website at theriverstage.com, like us on Facebook, or click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Schutz, and I'll see you at the River Stage. If you weren't at the concert check out what you missed. The River Stage our summer concert series welcomes back. Should I do the Crazy Penguins thing? We also have. So start with what? What do I start with?